Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a finale that I promised a long time ago, which I was actually planning on just doing in general a long time ago. Today we are going to be tackling our coat closet, which is probably the most unorganized closet in our whole entire house. We have like all of our coats and our shoes and just all that sort of stuff in there. But today we are going to be cleaning that out, and I'm so excited to get one more closet clean in this house. But before we get into that, if you are new here, definitely make sure that you subscribe down below. I post a lot of cleaning motivation, cooking, baking, just healthy lifestyle stuff. So if you are interested in that, definitely make sure that you are subscribed, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up to let me know this is the end of this series. But I still have so many cleaning videos that are going to be coming out for you guys, and I'm so excited to release those for you guys. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so this closet needs a complete overhaul. As I said, our whole entire family uses this closet. It's not very organized. There's not a whole bunch I can do in the bottom, but I think the top is going to be the most challenging part because there's just so much stuff. We have chickens, if you don't know. That's why we have like a million egg cartons, but there's just so much stuff up there. I need to reorganize it. I need to go through it. I need to rotate the shoes. I need to figure out the fall shoes and the winter shoes that I'm going to bring up for the next coming months. And yeah, so I really just need to clean this thing out and put it back together, vacuum it out really good. So grab a spot in your house, whether it be a closet or not. Let's tackle this together. We're gonna be here a while, so definitely make sure that you grab a space in your house to clean. And yeah, so let's get that done together. All right guys, we are diving right into this clean. I'm so excited. Pretty much when it comes to cleaning anything is just getting everything out. So I'm starting with the bottom half of this closet, and we also have had these hooks up here since we were kids, hence why it's like all colorful and stuff. And we have that one hanging up there that we've just been meaning to hang up. So I figured while I was doing this and giving it a refresh anyway, I might as well take down this old one and replace it with this new one. It's a little bit more grown up and just looks a little bit nicer. Going to be getting into the shoes, the bottom half of this closet. I know I said that I thought the top part was going to be the hardest part, but honestly I think this was the hardest part. Somewhere down the road, ideally I'd like to get some organization in here, maybe like some racks that are like two-tiered so you can like stack shoes without actually like stacking shoes. And we just have like those three little mats in there. They're not ideal, but you know, I was just working with what I had, and I really just wanted to mainly just get everything out. And we have so many shoes, so I'm rotating those out. But what I'm doing here is giving it a nice vacuum, because since it's a shoe closet and you know just a lot happens in this area, it doesn't really get vacuumed very often. So it's really important that we just get all that out of there and just start with a fresh and clean space. Real quick, if you don't know what I mean by rotate out shoes, I mean that I was bringing up some more like fall and winter shoes. As you can see, there's like a few pairs of boots that I wear during the fall and the winter, and pretty much I just kind of thought of what practically made sense for everybody. I wear my Crocs everywhere, even when it's snowing outside, so I kept those up there, same with my sisters. So you just gotta think what's practical for you and rotate out the shoes that you're probably not gonna wear until next spring. So yeah, so that's pretty much my thought process going through this whole entire section of this closet. Okay, the first thing that I'm tackling in the top of the closet is just kind of this box of like winter stuff and any other miscellaneous things that I found around. So pretty much we just keep all of our winter stuff in this box. It's not ideal. I plan on possibly doing like a basement kind of makeover series, like a cleaning series, just because there's so much that needs to be gone through in our basement. There's so many different rooms, and I feel like we could just store the stuff a little bit better because we don't use the winter stuff all year round. I mean, it's a stereotype sort of, like when you think of Michigan, to think of like snow all year round, but really we only get it in the winter. So I think we can find a better method for storing this stuff. Just to finish off this space, I'm just going through and I'm going to vacuum this whole entry area just because I was moving things and there's probably a bunch of dirt and dust all over the place. So it's just a really good way to just leave with a super clean space. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video, the series finale of my Closet Declutter series. I don't think I could have ended it any better. This was such an amazing transformation, and it really didn't take me super long either. So if you have something similar like this, don't think that it takes forever, because it really doesn't. The main part is just getting rid of things and not holding on to things that you don't need. But yeah, so that was so much fun. I love cleaning, and I love just going from so much stuff to not a lot of stuff at all. So that was really satisfying for me. Hopefully it was satisfying for you, and it gave you some inspiration, gave you some motivation to tackle something in your house, whether it be a closet or not. And if you like what you see, definitely make sure that you subscribe down below. I'd love to have you. We do so many fun things on here, all centered around lifestyle, so I'd love to have you here. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Maybe in the future I'll have another cleaning series, but for now that is the end of my cleaning series. Like I said, there'll still be other normal extreme cleaning motivation videos coming out for you guys, so definitely make sure that you watch out for those. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!